Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today this is going to be a restore video of this I think it's a 44-inch Disney Princess ceiling fan. I don't know what the actual name is, but the reason why I said restore video is because my friends told me that to lift it up in the air and smash the globe, so I did, and during that I did manage to crack the globe, and then I done up the switch housing, so all I really had to do to restore this fan is just get a new light kit and bent the switch housing back. And this is a Harbor Breeze Schoolhouse light kit that I'm using. In my opinion, it looks pretty good. And we'll give you a demonstration. Here's the light. And instead of having an LED bulb, it uses one of these low quality Walmart bulbs that they die in 3 weeks. So that's what they use. And there's that. Start on low. Going on now through November 24th. Shop in store or at Lowe's.com/Provember. Lowe's, the new home for pros. And it does have a wobble. So I'm gonna try to balance this fan out. Give it to my cousin. I'm not gonna spend hours a day trying to balance this fan, so if I cannot balance it, I'll just give my cousin something else.
Okay, I'm missing the horns. SimpliSafe is celebrating this new camera with 30% off a new system this week. Visit SimpliSafe.com.
That's a pretty nice fan. It blows good air.
This report is from the Members First Federal Credit Union Weather Center.
Here's the updated forecast from the National Weather Service. Clear and cold tonight, maybe a frost, low 31. Tomorrow, partly sunny skies.
And I will show you the 3 speeds in reverse, too.
51 degrees.
This report is sponsored by
Here's the light.
Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep. Tired of being tired? New ZzzQuil Pure Z's Restorative Herbal Sleep is a melatonin-free sleep aid made with clinically studied plant-based ingredients to help promote better restorative sleep. Sleep is good, feel is good.
Alright, this is going to be reverse demonstration.
Download the free iHeart app now and start tapping thumbs up on the songs, artists, and stations you like. Plus, you can even share the station with all your friends. Just to prove your superior musical tastes. Favorites Radio only on iHeart. Discover music, radio, and podcasts you'll love.
Currently 43 degrees. Brought to you by Alton Cheap and Hammer. Always $1,000 less than the competition.
More of the variety you love starts now. Y102, the 80s to now.
Give me a second, I need to get my story straight. My friends are in the bathroom getting higher than the Empire State. My lover, she's waiting for me just across the bar. My seat's been taken by some sunglasses, asking about a scar. And I know I gave it to you months ago. I know you're trying to forget, but between the drinks and subtle things, the holes in my apologies, you know, I'm trying hard to take it back. So if by the time the bar closes and you feel like falling down, I'll carry you home tonight. We are young, so set the world on fire.
Alright, and here's Spin Down. thank you guys so much for 29 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for helping me growing my channel. I know my videos may be boring to you, but trust me, I will try to make my videos much better. But thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Alright, this is the video of the 44-inch Disney Princess ceiling fan, and I will see you in the next video.